Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Amravati? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your area Amravati. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. Rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They'll assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute in Amravati. The address of the institute is first floor Tote Complex above Tote Eye Hospital, Rathi Nagar, Amravati, Maharashtra 444603. Their contact number includes 09022121407. Okay, now let us talk about their SSC programs and some of the features. So, the program of SSC includes comprehensive classes for SSC CGL, SSC CHSL and SSC CPO reference material. Moreover, they have national level test series, online support in the form of Aspiration, our online learning platform and more. Now let us talk about the features. So, the very first is their test series. You can get 300 plus mock based on the actual pattern of various SSC entrance examination. Every mock is curated as per the difficulty level of the various recent SSC examination. Okay, number 2 feature is practice test. These sectional tests are designed for SSC aspirants preparing for the SSC CGL, SSC CHSL and other government job related examination. They offer a bundle of SSC practice tests to meet the needs of SSC aspirants. Okay, number 3 is previous year's solutions, that is resources and materials. Their SSC program includes video solutions to difficult questions delivered by their expert faculty members. So friends, next we have Current Affairs booklet. They will give you a daily dose of current affairs, national and international, relevant to your various recent SSC examination. The last feature is books and materials. Make the most of their exhaustive SSC material. Get access to solutions to difficult questions delivered by their expert faculty members. Okay, down to our rank 4 institute, we have Time Institute, that is Triumphant Institute of Management Education. This institute is India's leading test preparatory institute with a pan-India presence and is headquartered in Hyderabad. It was established in 1992. Time today operates out of 237 offices located in 118 towns and cities across the country. Moreover, over 40 IIT IIM graduates form part of the core team at Time Institute. The main features of Time Institute includes classroom program, number 2 distance learning courses and number 3 online test series. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of the institute includes near Samrat High School, Rajapet Square, Amravati, Maharashtra 444606. Their contact number is 0721 255 1334. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Unique Academy in Amravati. Unique Academy is one of the India's leading institution established with an aim to develop as the final destination for all career initiation programs. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of the institute is 2nd floor Devidas Arcade, Panchwati Square, Morshi Road, Gadge Nagar, Amravati, Maharashtra. Their email ID includes amol_unique123@rediffmail.com. Now let us talk about the contact numbers. The contact numbers are 721-6521243 and 9422-355-664. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Amravati. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.